Alright, here we got the Chamberlain half horsepower Security Plus. This is a 1998 model chain drive. Pretty okay condition. I guess for being 22 years old, it's not bad. The logic board's messed up, but it still works. So we'll show this running here. We got the standard old green Chamberlain button. Very loud unit, especially for now. But you can see it coming up here. It runs alright. Go ahead and close the door. But it runs okay considering how old it is, and it's never been replaced or, fixed at all, so it runs alright.